You've been looking for a new camper van that fits in the garage? Here's a 2018 with just 1,700 miles on it. Camper conversions, brand new by DLM-Campervans. Great gas mileage, garageable, solar, sleeps 2, works perfect as a daily driver. Comes with the roof rack, 10-speed reversible fan, pull-out bed. It's got a tabletop that'll pull out, heated leather seats, lane change alert. This camper van is a perfect solution for the road warrior, for the part-time camper. We have folks at full-time in the Mini T. Visit us at www.dlm-distribution.com for more information on this camper van, our current inventory, or what our organization can do for you to meet your camping needs. Or give us a call at 651-285-7089 for more information.